Alright, so now we're going to play my Dreydl. And so my Dreydl is two chords, C major and G major. Okay, for this song we're going to take G major below C. So we have C major and then G major. Okay, and then with our right hand we're going to stay in the same spot with our melody. Okay, so here's the melody. Remember, it starts on beat 4 with the pickup. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let's play it with the chords. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let's play with the sheet music. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for watching.